Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy S10 silicone cover. This case is directly from Samsung. So it's just a non-slip case, very simple protection. I think this one ran about $29. So one of the cheaper cases from Samsung for the Galaxy S10. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. I do have some other cases to check out, such as the OtterBox Defender Pro and the Spec Presidio grip case that I will be doing in another video. Let's see, so this one just comes out the top here. I'm going to review a couple different cases and then I will do a video on the top three. So right here, just a simple silicone case. Ooh, the inside is blue. A little sticker right here on the bottom. Take that off. A little thing, it just says it's recommended you remove this before using the power share feature. Go ahead and put it in. Goes in very easily. The case is very thin. It's definitely a lot thinner than I remember the S8 and S9 cases being. Those kind of had a weird bulk to them. This one's very thin. It doesn't add much bulk to the phone. It's pretty much right in line with the camera bump, so not much of a indentation there. But it doesn't add any bulk to the phone at all. Your edge screen's still exposed. The bottom of the phone is exposed, and then your buttons are covered up. So a lot of these cases don't have much screen protection just because of the edge panel and the edge of the phone. They want you to be able to see the screen. So a lot of these cases do lack in raised edges for the screen protection. But overall, it's a nice case. Like I said, good cutouts for the ports, and it protects the back of the phone nice just to keep the glass from getting scratched up and stuff like that. And then you probably want to use a screen protector or something like that for the front. So that is the Samsung silicone case for the Galaxy S10. They do offer it for the S10 Plus as well, and I'll link it down in the description below to where you can pick one up. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.